It's a big mistake for a good damn boy like me. You know, hey, I'm out of this. You took my loneliness away. I'm not a game. You know, hey, you took my loneliness away. I'm not a game. Your way, your way, your way, your way. If I was trapped in the world losing gravity, it's a big mistake for a good damn boy like me. My scars ain't found on the history. I'm afraid you got control and you cut my wings. You know, hey, I'm out of this. You took my loneliness away. I'm not a game in your way. Your way. You know, hey, I'm out of there. You took my loneliness away. I'm not a game. Your way. Your way.
Wish there was more places to camp where you could let your dog just run around and there wasn't anybody for, 400 yards. At least 100 yards. Me and Geely used to go camp at a place like that. But during the winter time, there was hardly anybody there. Kind of out on a point where you could see the sunset. No one would camp over there. Anytime we went, there was no one over on that side. So we had no neighbors, and Geely just ran and played, went down to the water, came back up to camp, ran around chasing squirrels. I like that kind of camping. And kabow! Joe butter. But really peppered. I didn't tell you I was cooking on a bear box. Here at Lake Tahoe, California. I always hold on to the handle when I'm stirring things because these little stoves, they tip over real easy. We're having redneck bacon and eggs in the morning. Drinking adult beverages. I go to the grocery store and try and just buy one meal. Try. This stuff will last longer cooked than it will raw. So here we go. I'm going to show you how I do this. Keep rotating the fire around like that all night long until we decide we're done or we run out of firewood. Sometimes I lay in bed in the mornings and it's really chilly out. Like the other morning it was 28 degrees. And I didn't want to get out of bed. That's why I have a pee bottle. It crushes down into nothing and then expands into a 25-ounce little jug with a big fat lid in it so you don't miss. And then I just clean it out inconspicuously during that morning sometime. But also I'll lay there in bed so long that I gotta really go. And if I'm gonna try and make it to the bathrooms at the campground, if you're waiting in the mornings, it's light out and everyone can see you. So you gotta go use the bathroom. You can't just use the tree in the back of the campsite, you know.
It's been a while since I left. Nobody knows where I went, but I think I found my place. Don't worry, I'm doing just fine out in the islands where the time goes a little more my pace. I've been floating coast to coast, Bahamas to Puerto Rico. It don't matter if I'm lost, because I know when I'm with you I'm home. When I'm with you I'm home. Just riding waves, 'cause I know no matter where the tide goes, the sun is on my face. Searching for treasures in my mind, I know I'll find it, 'cause the islands are showing me the way. I've been floating coast to coast, from Cuba to Mexico. It don't matter if I'm lost, because I know when I'm with you I'm home. When I'm with you I'm home. Yeah. When I'm with you I'm home. When I'm with you I'm home. It don't matter if I'm lost, because I know. It don't matter if I'm lost, because I know when I'm with you I'm home.